Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to see your listen history on Spotify. Sometimes when you are using the Smart Shuffle and you listened to a great song but you forgot to add this, you can see that song just from here. So right now if you go to our profile left in the top, you have here the option Recents. So from now, what we need to do is we can search for the song, or we can search for whatever you want. But today I did the Summer of House option. And from here, if I tap on that, you can see the songs that I played. Now, I also played one song from Love, but here on Recents, you can see all your active songs that you listened. Now, on November 23rd, I listened to two songs, Glorious Morning and Headlines, just from here. Now, and if I'm searching here, I listened also to one song, Headlines. So this is exactly how you can see your recent listened songs. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.